The family of a man shot and killed by Orchard Park police is now suing the department and the town.
The lawsuit claims officers used excessive force during what was reported to them as a mental health call until the suspect, James Cushman, lunged at officers with a knife. Our Trina Catterson joins us now with those details. Trina?
Dave and Jordan, a 57-page court filing obtained by News 4 outlines what allegedly happened the night of August 30th, 2024, when James Cushman was shot and killed by Orchard Park police. The civil lawsuit also sheds light on his long history of mental health struggles and raises some questions on how the situation was handled. According to court documents, Cushman's mental health history dates back to May of 2015, when Orchard Park police brought him to ECMC for making suicidal statements to a family member. Then in October of 2023, an ambulance brought Cushman to Mercy Hospital, where his mother told staff her son was having a mental breakdown. A month later, he was brought to ECMC again for suicidal thoughts. The court document also alleges that just days before the shooting, Orchard Park police were at Cushman's home twice in response to his mental health issues. On August 30th, 2024, Cushman called 911 himself. According to police, he told dispatch his mother was outside of his home with a gun and that he was outside armed with a knife. When officers arrived, Cushman's mother was helping to calm him down and even got him to set the knife on a mailbox and walk away. The lawsuit states that's when things should have stayed calm, but instead, officers demanded his mother go back inside, reigniting the crisis. Cushman allegedly ran for the knife again, and then seconds later, Cushman was shot 7 times, including 4 in his back. In a press conference held by Orchard Park police following the incident, there was no mention of any crisis intervention team on scene the night of the shooting. Back in 2021, Orchard Park's police reform plan recommended more training in de-escalation and crisis intervention. The court document says this implies the department's response to people with mental illness was still lacking. Cushman's mother is seeking damages, hoping to hold the department accountable for what she calls a preventable death. Now, we reached out to attorneys for the officers as well as the attorneys representing Cushman's mother who filed that lawsuit. So far, we have not heard back. The New York State Attorney General's office told me today its investigation is ongoing and they do not have a timeline for when it will be complete. Reporting in the studio, Trina Catterson, News 4.